Hey and welcome. We are now going to start a live session for binary option at Pocket Option. This will be just a very short one because I did promise we're going to do it because I'm going out pretty soon. So let's get to it. I'll just wait so we get some people in here. Let me see that everything is up and running and good. Looks like everything is in order. If anyone can confirm that the sound is good, that will be nice. I will now start to show you, as this will just be a short one, I will show you how I put up my lines and things here at Pocket Option also, because you see it's not so obvious where to put them like it is in IQ Sense. So what I like to do is I take this one up to the 15 minutes. Then here we make the lines. So for example, up here we can see we edit them after in 30 seconds. Okay, so here we take this one, we make it to our red line, and in the bottom we put a line in this area. Then when we take it to the 30 seconds, that's the only two areas we're interested to be trading, support and resistance. So when we see here now, the one in the bottom we don't even see yet, we need to be all the way down here, but the one in the top here we see that is possible. The timer, is it not possible to put to 30 seconds? Yeah, 30 seconds. So then we have 30 seconds. When we look at this ones here, we would have won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and lost 2, okay? And we lost this 6, so 6 out of 2 is winner, so this means it's a good line for us to trade. So this is basically how I find a line at Pocket Option. So now we just, like we do in IQ Sense, we need to wait and take trades on this line. So we are 3 people live now. Good morning for you also, Kyle. Make sure you push the like button. I will not be long online today, like I said. This will just be a short session. This was more just to show you how I find my lines. So I can show again very fast. I go to the 15 minutes. There I find the areas, like here you see it's clearly a nice area for support. And up here we find this is the area for resistance. And then when you go for 30 seconds, we typically edit it a little if necessary. In this case, I think it's good because we need to look at this history, how many times you would have won compared with losses. And that's why this is the region we will take trade. Same go for one in the bottom here. This one, we see lately we would have won 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The good thing with this broker is that when we push here, it happens right away, it's no delay here. The bad thing with this broker is that we can't zoom out. See, this is the max I can zoom out. You can zoom in a little. Actually, I can zoom in quite a lot, but we can't zoom out that much. That's one thing I don't like with this broker. Another thing I don't like is that with this broker, it's more difficult to find trades. Like I said, we need to go up and see. Now let's see, we're getting close to our trade. I will do $100 trade, not 500. Let's see. I'm talking about hitting the line. I did push and it did shoot down. If you had got an entry in the top there, you can see it would be perfect. But let's see, by the way. I was super slow on the trigger. That is not because of the broker, that is because of me. But let's see now. If I push up here, we would have clear winner, of course. It looks like we're going to win this trade, by the way. So here you see the line we put, how perfect the line it was. Let's zoom in here now. See how perfect the line we did put to get a winner. You see? So it's basically that simple also in Pocket Option. By the way, for the ones that like Forex, I always been thinking about it. Did not decide before now, as you did see here. MetaTrader 5 account, I was thinking, okay, what is this? So I did push here now. We will go back after, just bear with me. I have not tried to trade here. I see that we also have the possibility to put it on a MetaTrader account. It looks like we can even trade here. So I did the move because I could see, let me see, was here I think. We could take an internal transfer. So I did that, and I did put $1,000 from my main account from Pocket Option. Looks like we need to log in again. Let's do that. And there. So I might be trading a little Forex also on this broker. I always knew they had it, but I never did try it. I don't know how the spread is. But the good thing is that this one will then work worldwide because this broker works worldwide. So that might be the one we can use for Forex for people in the United States. But I need to figure out if they're good first. I know this broker is super good when it comes to withdraw and things like this, go very fast. So probably this can work for us. Then we need to see how it is to trade Forex here, if the spreads are good and all this good stuff. Because if the spreads are terrible, it does not make sense for us to trade on this broker. Now let's see. So basically you see here now, it's very far away from our line down here, because we did take the markup from the 15 minutes. So when you go to close it now, you can see we got our winning trade here that we did take just now. So like I said, look here. So that is basically how I trade on Pocket Option. I'm very sorry this is a super short session. It was a last minute change for my schedule today, so I will need to go out right now. But as I did promise to have a live session, I wanted just to show you all how I trade in Pocket Option also. But before I go, let me just present one thing. Let me see. Just bear with me. So I think I will do more sessions like this. But for me to do that, I would all like you to do this. Let me see. Make sure you open account that you see now in the chat there now. It's a super account. I have talked about this quite a lot. It's an account that basically I give 60% of my own affiliate income. It's basically based on every single trade you do. This you will receive as cashback. Okay, so in that way you are earning a little extra compared with just a normal account. So if you have a Pocket Option account from before, close it down and reopen with the link you see there now. It's a super account, we can call it. What I gain on it, I gained 40%. I give away 60% of my affiliate income. I still keep my small 40%. So I still gain a little on it. So I'm not that nice, but I'm still nice. So make sure you sign up with this broker, and if I see a lot of people do that, I will probably start to trade a little here, because I don't make money from anything else than affiliate income, and of course trading also. So for this to be a little fun for me, that is one way you can pay me back. So I earn a little back on your trading. So I will probably start to trade a little live on this broker also, like I said. Maybe I do 2 sessions a day, one on the another broker and one on this one, where we basically are trading this style, where I take the trades, base it on 15 minutes, support resistance, and like see, we had the one we did take here, we won this trade. Was a perfect place to take the trade, and you see the next one is down here. So that is the style we are going to be trading on this broker, and over a little time you will learn also to put the lines perfect so they can be trading. So then I see you all again tomorrow. There will be a live session. If I see I get 3 sign up on this broker today, I will do a live session for Pocket Option in Monday. That's a promise. So let's see, if I get 3 sign up on the broker on the right side here now, I will do a live session on Pocket Option. So then I'll see you all tomorrow. Have an amazing day.